The amount of creative ideas I see on this here internet. When I tell you these watermelon fries were so cute and so fun to make. If you haven't seen the video by now, all you have to do is cut a watermelon into rounds just like this. Make sure not to cut the rounds too thick. The next thing you want to do is remove the watermelon rind just like this. And baby, get you a crinkle cutter and cut you some watermelon fries. It is just that easy. The original creator did a strawberry yogurt dip. I did mine a little bit different. I just used some plain yogurt, some honey, the zest of 1 lime, and then half a lime juiced. And the next thing I added was some Tajin. Gave everything a good mix. And baby, when I tell you this looked just like ranch to me, this yogurt dip was so good with the watermelon fries. These watermelon fries are perfect to make this summer, especially for the kids. Y'all know I had to give this food trend a try to make sure it was spilling the sweet tea approved. And baby, it definitely is. These watermelon fries are definitely a 10 out of 10. They were delicious plain, but I decided to add a little spice and add some Tajin on top of my watermelon fries. Baby, that Tajin on those watermelon fries took them to the next level.